indictment is only one of a series to be handed down as special grand jury investigation. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.